This part here is a piece of wire is 308 centimeters in length. The wire is bent into the shape of a circle. Assume the radius, calculate the radius of the circle. Now, what this means is the full length, if you're to do a full lap from here to here, all the way across, all the way around, that means that that whole length is 308. The formula for this is 2 pi r. And what we know is that pi has to be 22 over 7. So it's 2 times 22 over 7 multiplied by r equals 308. So what we do here is we get 44 over 7 r equals 308. It's multiply on the left, which means you're dividing by 44 over 7 on the right. So just get 308 and divide it by 44 over 7. Anybody know what that is?
49.
49. Yeah, r equals 49 centimeters. Okay, not too bad. Number 20 is the same thing. A piece of wire of length 66 centimeters is in the shape of a semicircle as shown. Now, this is the length of a full circle. You don't want the length of a full circle, you want the length of the semicircle. So what you can say is a length of a semicircle is just pi r. It's half of it. Okay? So what you do then is you just say pi multiplied by r, which is 22 over 7, multiplied by r equals 66. So what I need you to do is divide 66 by 22 over 7. I think you might get 21. Anybody? Divided by 66 divided by 22 over 7? 21. R equals 21 centimeters. Okay? You can see they're actually reasonably easy. Okay? Next section would be the diagram shows a small circle drawn inside a larger circle. The small circle has an area of 25 centimeters cubed. The larger circle has a circumference of 16 pi centimeters. Calculate the area of the shaded region in terms of pi. What you need to do here is you need to find out what is the circumference. Okay, the circumference is L. L equals 2 pi r. You're told the circumference or the outside length of the bigger circle is 16 pi. This means that r equals 16 pi. You bring over the 2 pi. It's 16 pi divided by 2 pi. R is 8 centimeters. Okay. The area of the big circle therefore is pi r squared, and this is going to be pi times 8 squared, which is 64 pi. You now know the area of the big circle is 64 pi. You're told that the area of the small circle is 25 pi. Take them away from each other and you will get 39 pi. So that's the area of the shaded section. Any questions about that one? Next question is question 29. The area of the sector shown is 12.56. Calculate the value of r. What Keane said there is you just go to the front, you find the area of the sector formula. It's in your tables. Theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r squared. This all equals 12.56. Theta is your angle. Your angle is going to be 40 over 360. Okay, 40 over 360 by pi r squared. Okay. So what we're going to do here, actually, next part is 40 divided by 360. So we're just going to do 40 divided by 360. I'm asked to use 3.14 for pi. So if I actually use the pi button, it'll introduce an inaccuracy in the answer compared to the back of the book. Okay, 3.14 multiplied by r squared. We haven't got a clue what the radius is, so we have to leave it the way it is. So that is going to be. It's actually probably better to leave it as a fraction. 157 over 450. So we're going to have 157 over 450. And that accounts for everything here in the blue. And it's going to be r squared equals 12.56. Fractions are always more accurate than decimals. Always. So all I have to do to find out what r squared is I get 12.56 and I divide it by 157 over 450. Because it's already saved in my calculator, I can use the answer button. Okay, so it makes my job quicker. 12.56 divided by the answer of the last part, which is your 157 over 450, and it'll give you 36 on the dot. Now some of you might have got 35.99 something, or 36.01 something. That you know that it should be roughly 6, okay? So R equals 6 centimeters. Okay, next section. Sorry, next question, number 26. The area of trapezium shown is 198 centimeters squared. Calculate the value of x. Okay, so to get the value of x, what we're going to do is we look up the formula, and the formula is a plus b over 2 multiplied by h. And that's what the big area equals, okay? Alright guys, what a and b stand for is the length. So we can say a equals x, b equals 3x. Therefore a plus b is 4x. It's going to be 4x over 2 multiplied by the height, which is 11. All of this has to equals 198 centimeters cubed. It's going to be 22x equals 198. Divide 198 by 22. 198 divided by 22. X equals 9 centimeters. Okay.